To draw Queen Elizabeth, we'll first make a plan. Her face is made out of a rectangle with a curve underneath it, an ellipse for the hair and another ellipse for the hat. You will need a pencil and a pen and an eraser, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. So let's begin with this rectangle, and it's not a square, but it's quite a boxy rectangle like that. And then we want a curve coming underneath it like that. You might want to put a line down the middle just to help, and maybe another, because that's kind of where her eyebrows are coming from. I'm drawing this very gently because I'm going to erase the pencil later. This line here is where the mouth will be, and then a little bit above is going to be the nose, and then halfway distant will be the eyes. And then we're going to have the chin sort of like that. So the eyebrows, we're going to want these two lines there, and they're going to go just a little bit above that eye line. They're going to go up and kind of a curve around, up and curve around. And then her eyes will go up and around and up and around. So they're quite close together, and then we want to have the underneath too, and the eyeballs in the middle. And her nose, you want this little kind of blobby bit there, blobby bit on the side. I hope that's not treason, talking about the Queen's blobby nose. And then we want these quite big lines coming around there to this mouth line, and then a slight curve on the mouth, and then the teeth come down like that, and then that's the bottom lip, so it's quite thin when she's smiling, and that's the top lip. This now wants to curve, and that will then curve around like that. Put in some nice big pearl earrings. And then we want another curve, which is going to be coming around like that for the hat, and then going up quite a bit like that, and then coming around there. Come to the side, we want the hat curving around. Well, it's maybe a bit more of an angle. So her hats are always, these days, are always kind of higher on this side than that side. And then we want a bit of a neck coming in there, and we'll have her collar like that, and the shoulders, and the front of her coat. So now I'm going to draw this in ink, and we're going to draw those two lines there, and the eyebrows coming out like that, and then we want this eye sort of really coming out with a little curve from the these lines that are coming down, and then those lines there, and then the eyeballs need to be just like, some of it's just hiding behind underneath it there, and then we'll put two little eyeballs in there, so they're like Pac-Man, or little fat letter C's, and then we'll put a little bit of a curve up there and some lines underneath, and then we want to draw that nose. I won't use that blobby word again. Oh, I just did. And then we'll bring that curve around there, and that curve around there, and then we also want a little line like that. Now here we come, that's the bottom of the top lip, so we just want to draw, that's the top lip, and then we're going to draw, make the teeth really easy. It's just sort of a white kind of line like that, and then that's going to be the bottom lip, and then with the chin we're going to do that, and then dot it away so that it kind of disappears. Draw underneath the hat a curve, and then we want these sort of clouds of hair coming out around the side like that, and then do these little kind of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we can do some little curves like that, big curve, little curve, which will just make the curls in her hair like that. Now draw in those big pearl earrings like that. She can afford really big ones. And then we'll draw a nice curve, but this is just going to dot away again like that. So it just kind of fades. And then we'll have same thing going on there with the neck. And then maybe a bit of a line underneath. Now with the hat, we're going to go all the way around like that. And all the way around like that. And then here we're going to go very close, follow around like that, and then that will again sort of dot away. We're going to want to put some kind of fancy stuff going on here. So I'm just kind of doing a wiggle and a squiggle like that. So these will be feathers or things like that. And then there's a hat band going around as well. So maybe we can do it like that. And then this is going to come up and around and around and down. I'm just going to draw a line going down there, and then that will join there, and then this will come around to there, and this will come around to there like that, and then we'll put some fancy buttons in there. Can I fit another one in there? And then we're going to want her coat coming out to the sleeves. So do a nice curve and a little bump and then down. And then we'll have some kind of jewellery here. She always likes to have a brooch. So let's draw a central part of the brooch. And then go around it like it's a little daisy. Like that, and then we want to do spikes on it, so we're going around it like it's well, it's a dahlia or a dahlia now, the award of the dahlia, and then we can put these little lines in there just to sort of spice it up a little bit, and we can put them in there too. Now, when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines and you won't get any smudging going on. And we can maybe do some little up and down like that, and up and down, and that will make the shoulders and the arms. And we can maybe add just a little bit into these kind of feathers like that, and just to give it a bit more something going on there. And there you go, how to draw the Platinum Jubilee Queen Elizabeth II. Thanks for watching. Click down there and make sure you are subscribed to the Shoo Rayner drawing channel, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.